bringing you one of my favorite experiences. I call it Psychedelic Breath. And Psychedelic Breath is a technique to change your state of consciousness into a non-ordinary state. So the Psychedelic Breath ritual that I'm going to bring to you and we're going to share here at Nômade is something I love to take on my travels. So I travel the world with it often, and my most favorite state in collaboration with amazing artists. So I actually went to Burning Man this year and in collaboration with Acid Pauli, who wrote me a very mystical soundtrack for it. We brought around 1,000 people at the Mayan Warrior and the art installation The Orb into an amazing state. You will experience what it means to use your own breathing to change what we call consciousness, to change your biochemistry, to shift and to be connected, what I call your potential, which is your truth.